Welcome to Tech Wednesday. So on today's episode, I'll just be explaining all these options, what they do and what they for, and how to actually access this option. So the first option is to lock. So obviously, as the name states, is you use this option to lock your PC. So when you lock this, it will just lock you out and you just have to sign in back. So when you click on any key, you'll just have to enter the password and then you'll be able to sign back to the PC. The second option is to switch users. So say you have two profiles. When you click on this account, you can switch to a different profile and then you just sign in. And obviously on that profile, if it has a password, you'll have to punch in the password. And then this option, you sign out. Like I said, if now you had two account or two profile, you can use this option to sign out to your account. Let's just say you're sharing this laptop with another colleague or a friend. You can sign it to your PC, do what you need to do, and then after that you can just sign out. And then the last option is task manager. You use this option to open up task manager in case you can't open it the normal way. And then if you want to open any of these options, you just click on it. So if I want to open task manager, I'll just click on it. But let me show you how to access this option. Okay, let me just open task manager. And then as you can see, this is task manager. It is opened. But I'll just show you how to access to get to that screen. So you basically click on the Alt key, not the Control key, the Alt key together with the delete key. So you click on them simultaneously and then it should take you to this screen. Hope you guys found this useful. See you on the next episode.